Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been gone for quite a while, but I'm back now. Yeah, I'm back and I'll be consistent this time round. I am Betty. I am making sure I'll be consistent. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make bonnets. I sell bonnets for those who do not know, and this is my IG page where I sell the bonnets. If you want some, you can order. You can just DM me to order. So today I'm going to be showing you just a simple how to make a bonnet step by step. If you like this kind of content, if you like sewing content, please like, share and subscribe. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Welcome. The first step, we're going to take one piece of fabric. The measurements are indicated above. I'm going to make a bonnet with both red and black, a satin bonnet that is. So you're going to fold it once, then you fold it twice. After folding, you'll have a square, but not a perfect square. Yeah, I'm pressing it down to make sure like the edges are aligned. Yeah. Then I'm going to take my tape measure. I'll be using 12.5 inches to create the circle for the bonnet. 12.5 inches, I use that for a medium sized bonnet. Then I use 13.5 for a large size bonnet. I'll indicate the measurements above depending on what type of bonnet you want to make. So you're going to mark 12.5 inches for all round, like you're creating a pie. Have a quarter of a pie, a quarter of a circle. Yeah, so you hold your tape measure on the tip at the edge there where the materials are connecting. Then you just mark 12.5 all round. The marked points will be your guideline on how you're going to cut the fabric. So the fabric is going to have a diameter, a radius of 12.5 inches. After marking it, you can connect the points, but for me it's not necessary. I'll just follow them. You take your scissors and cut along the marked points. After cutting the fabric, you're going to have a circular piece. You're going to repeat the same process on your second piece of fabric. Mine is the black fabric, so you're going to have two circles. Then you're going to connect them right sides facing each other. Right sides facing each other. Then you're going to sew along the circular part. While sewing, you're going to leave a 1-inch opening, which is going to be used to overturn the fabric. Here I'm just sewing along the edges. Afterwards, this is what you're going to have. Let me adjust. This is the 1-inch space I was telling you about. You're going to use this to overturn your fabric. Here I've already overturned my fabric. Now we're going just to press using your iron box. Mine is not a steam iron, so I'm just spraying a bit of water so that the fabric can be flat and beautiful. Iron all round, and these are the results after you've ironed it completely. We're then going to take the space that you left open. You're going to stitch it before taking your thread and needle to create gathers. This is the simplest way I know how to create gathers. So I just threaded my needle and I'm hand stitching. Then I'll pull the string together to form gathers. Yeah, because the fabric is thick and my machine stitches were not working, So hand stitching is the fastest way to do it, according to me. Next, we're going to take our elastic band. This is a 1.5 inch in width elastic band. So I'm going to measure the circumference of my head, which will be 22 inches. I fold my headband into two and have, so it will become 11 inches on fold, and I add a 0.5 stitching allowance. So I'll cut it at 11.5 inches on fold. Remember, on fold. Yeah. After cutting the elastic band, we're going to stitch it on the edges so that it can be a complete band. Here I'm just going to stitch on the 0.5 allowance that we had. Take it to my sewing machine and stitch it. It's not a must to see me stitching, so this is how it will look after stitching. The next step, we're going to take the headband, the elastic band that is, and attach it to the bonnet. Here I'm just pinning it down, ensuring the gathers are flat so that it can be easier to sew through it. This will be a thick, it will be a thick material, so yeah, you'll have to be careful. You're going to have to stitch slowly so that you don't break any needles. Here I'm just going to attach my bonnet to my elastic band and take it to my sewing machine and stitch all round. Yeah, and that's it. We're done. This is a final product.